This is why Lionel Messi is the most loved player in the world. He has never refused a photo, never refused an autograph. Where some act like superstars and look down on their fans, he shows love, he shows respect, because he knows without the fans, he would be nothing. Look how he gave the captain's armband to a teammate just so he could lift the trophy. Look how he gives his jersey to a fan. This is humility. This is the true heart of a champion. Messi brings comfort to those who need it. He brings happiness to the sad, joy to the lonely, and peace in times of trouble. Look at him with that child battling cancer. He doesn't just give a smile, he gives hope. Messi isn't just a great player. He's a great human being. Arrogance, he doesn't know it. Humility, he lives it every day. Even if you're a Cristiano fan, you can't watch this video without leaving a heart for him, because Messi once said, "Fans also deserve love." If you respect Messi's wisdom, leave a heart for him and type 8 in the comments in honor of his 8 Ballon d'Or awards.